Ooh, that is actually really cool. We're gonna look at something from Protozoa, and little thing, Protozoa makes some crazy fun keyboards. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure what to expect sound-wise or feeling-wise from the keyboard we're gonna be looking at today, but I do think this is a very pretty keyboard. So Protozoa Studio sent this over. I don't know, I've always been a big fan of their aesthetic, so. Me and my brother in month 8 of waiting to get his insurance settlement. What happened with that top? Oh, just a box within a box. I guess I don't need this box. I still don't love this desk pad, but it is aesthetically very nice. And they also sent over a glitch one, which we can take a look after. This is more like this is not really my aesthetic anymore, but it's still very pretty. It's like this bright neon style stuff here, but that's a cute case. I love the blue. The blue is like, this is probably my favorite with the little orange tassels on the front here. Beautiful. Not as pretty as you. Oh, please, bro. Please. Don't make me smile that much. Okay, dude. This is going to be such a fun thing to unpack here. All right, I don't know what to do first here. There's so much stuff. All right, let's take a look at this contents here. If there's one thing Protozoa does really, really well, it's really fun PCBs. Let me just do my best to open this in a timely fashion here. Oh man, this is so pretty. This is gonna be a very pretty keyboard today. Like, I genuinely think we're all gonna really like the way this looks. So designed by Youngcar, love this, love Youngcar. So it has that through-hole kind of style build, but it's already done for you, which is really cool. Very, very pretty. Extremely pretty PCB. Love this. Yeah, like I said, if there's one thing they do super well at Protozoa is beautiful PCBs. Lots of options we can use here too, so love it. FR4 plate. Big plate there for this. I don't know what this is. They sent me a guide this morning, but I haven't had a chance to. Oh, it's silicone. Oh, cool. I didn't even know this was a thing in this build. Okay, so we got some silicone and I think a polycarb plate. All right, let's open up this guy. So this is the top piece, which we're gonna take out now. I believe it's the top piece. So much tissue paper, I'm sorry guys. So this is the frosted version, which I think is probably my favorite out of all of them. But it's gonna be like a nice little TKL that we're building today with a lot of character to it. And then we have the base piece, which, let me get this guy out. This is also really pretty. So it's kind of like a mixed material of things. Look at that, dude. Isn't this cool? Like I said, if there's one thing Protozoa does really, really well, is this: they make really fun, interesting keyboards. Like, that is so cool. It's like a mix. It's like a mix of things. They sent over some other tops as well, which we'll take a look at. Actually, we can look at now too. I don't think there's many left of these. I think they're in stock, but definitely a really unique project. They've had a few really unique projects so far. And they're one of the more fun boards to take a look at because it's not just your standard, like, well, even if it doesn't sound good type thing. At least this has, like, its uniqueness going for it. And this is some of the other colored tops we can kind of mix and match if we so decide to. God, dude, so much tissue paper in this. Hello? Please. There's like a red one. So they have a lot of different, that's a bright red. Holy, that is a beautiful red. Lots of different colors to choose from too. They told me this morning as well. Okay, I'm not gonna open all these up right now. There's also a blue and looks like an orange. They're gonna be doing some other like materials for top pieces you can buy separately, which is really cool. Backup toilet paper from COVID. True, actually true, dude. Early stream, good morning. Good morning. How are you? But yeah, very, very cool. Look at that. That's just the base piece. And then really love this material on the bottom. This is also gonna act as its feet. presumably. Very, very cool though. Let me actually open up their build guide they sent me over. Okay, so that's on, and then do I put the plate on now? I'm assuming I put the plate on. I guess because we're using, should I use polycarbonate or FR4? I don't know what I want to use here. This is a very different build. I'm just like thinking what I want to use. I think maybe we do use the FR4. Or do I want it to be really deep? FR4 plates prettier? Go deep, go PC? But I feel like this fits the Frost aesthetic more. You know what? I know everyone wants FR4, but I think the PC plate fits the vibe more, you know? I do think this fits it a little bit bigger on that. All right. We got some stuff from lube switches. They sent these over. Very cool. I don't have to lube switches today. Always a blessing. These are done nicely. Very nice. Creamsicles, yeah, we're doing creamsicles today. It has been a long time since I've used creamsicle switches. Well, it feels like a long time. Wait, are these Epsilons? Guys, I don't know. Actually, you know what? Maybe they are Epsilons. I'm not gonna lie. I only looked at these via the packaging and just assumed they were creamsicles. All right, let's put this thing together now because it is flopping around everywhere and I need to figure out how to put this together. So, screw in the mag plate. Okay, so we gotta get this guy now, I guess. One of these guys. One is a single hole above the air cluster, so that's layer 1. Oh wait, no, single hole. One is a square hole, so that's layer 2. This is layer 1 here, so this would go here. This would be layer 2, this clear acrylic one. And this one here has the badge. Install layer 1 on top of the plate. Screw in the mag plate with the M3 into layer 2. Okay, let's go do that, shall we? Where's Protozoa Studios from? You know, I don't really remember what their origin is, but I can't remember now. Ooh, this looks pretty already. Oh, we got like a little pin. That's cute. So I need this thing. This is the magnet. Also, Protozoa has really pretty, this sounds so stupid, but they have like custom screws they do too. It'd be kind of tough to show you guys, but this is Protozoa on them. Nice little touch. Really like that. Okay. Pretty simple. Where's my mic? I don't see it. The microphone is above me. Actually, on Instagram today, if you guys want to see how it actually looks, on Instagram, I posted my setup. Well, not really all my setup, but just the one piece. It's like a piece of dust there. So if you guys did want to see how that looks, you guys can see it there. Sick Instagram post. I think I'm gonna start doing less and less keyboard photos, by the way. Well, okay, I take that back. There's gonna be exactly the same amount of keyboard photos. I just think that I'm gonna also post other things. Not for nothing. I just think the keyboard stuff does get a little tiring to a lot. Like, I don't know how you guys are feeling with it lately, but I'm a little tired of all the keyboard content from Instagram, like just taking the same old pictures over and over and over again. It doesn't feel like good creatively. Oh, this is, okay, wait. Side topic. Well, not side topic. Do you guys see that? That's so interesting. So the plate with the silicone innards is actually the mounting. And it just kind of lays on the edges here all around. Oh, that is cool. And because it has its separate piece here, it can flex. Oh, that is neat. I like your keep content and good ideas for build, but I agree content is wish. Dude, that's why I think I'm going to just do a whole bunch of different things. I think it'll be fun, but a whole bunch of different things will be, I think, ideal. Cool. This is a mix of stuff. So I believe it's polycarbonate bottom and then a, where's the screws? I just had them. Here, there. And then an acrylic top piece here. This is a cool looking keyboard. I think it has LEDs too, so. What am I building? Right now we are building the Strata TKL by Protozoa Studios. This isn't, like I said, I don't think coming into this keyboard I expect, like, maybe we will. Maybe I could be proven wrong, but I don't think my expectation here is like top tier sound or like ultra high performance. I think this is really just a showpiece. And a fun project. Because like I think that's also something that, dude, I need to talk about this a little bit too. I think I kind of fall victim to this too, and participate in this a little bit. But not every keyboard needs to be the keyboard that sounds like the thing that you're gonna end up with all the time. Some keyboards are just fun because you want to create a cool project. Like you're totally able to build a keyboard that way. And I think sometimes even I forget that. I'm pretty positive not everything needs to be done that way. All right, let's move this. Actually, this is really pretty. Damn. All right, so it does have LEDs. Cool, we know it turns on. I was thinking of putting Ghost. I don't know what I want to use yet. Maybe we do put Ghost on this. Ghost could look really cool. These are DMK Ghost, yeah. I think Ghost is a cool keycap set. Some people didn't really like it because they felt like, I mean, the semi-translucent nature feels like the legends are bleeding a little bit, but they're not. It's genuinely really pretty. And again, just to show you guys, like, even the detailing on the screws is really nice. If it wants to focus. They really did a great job with this. You know, they gave it some slack so that the keyboard can move up and down too. Side profile, pretty basic. You can kind of see what's going on, which I think is really neat though. You can kind of see the PCB moving in there. I think they did a fantastic job. And then the bottom. Again, not every keyboard needs to be like built the same in order to get a result out of it, obviously, but I do think a mixture of aesthetics here, a clever mounting system, because that's very non-traditional, I'd say, what they did. Really made for a fun experience building this. Is the badge upside down? Okay, I actually don't know how we're gonna take the badge out, but it's okay, I'll fix that later. And then I think I'm gonna put like a blue, obviously. Oh yeah, dude, look at that. Ooh. I am going to be building the Cycle 7, yeah. That is actually really cool. Ghost is made for this keyb. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, this looks sweet with the blue. This is really, really nice. Okay, let me see if the PCB fully working it is. Very, very cool. Here, so we're using Epsilon switches. This is the Strata TKL. There's tons of different colors you can get for tops. Some different versions too. There's like a glitch version, which is more like a cyberpunk kind of thing. This is the frosted version, which I think looks phenomenal. This is a pretty keyboard. It is using the silicone inside. You have to use the silicone on the inside, and this is using the polycarbonate plate. Little DN test for you guys here, and a little HJ test. I mean, that doesn't sound half bad. It's soft to type on too. I don't know if you guys can really tell from me. I mean, yeah, it moves. So, I mean, this is really soft too. I will agree, this space bar, it's more thuddy like it has a thud to it, it's because there's a mounting all across over here. That's why it's gonna thud like that. The only way to make it not thud like that was if Protozoa designed this without this giant bottom tab, but that would defeat the purpose of how this builds. I don't think it would really work too well if you just cut out this area here. But man, I don't think this is a bad overall sound profile, like at all. I still think the spacebar suits it nicely. I mean, this is nice. It's a fun board. This looks cool. I mean, the front height does seem really high. Beige Lad, what's going on, dude? Thank you so much for the raid, bro. The front height seems a bit higher, right? But the overall aesthetic of the board is actually really cool. I think this is such a neat little project. We've been Beige Lad. You're awesome. Dude, thank you, Beige Lad. What do you guys think? I like the subtle reflections I'm getting too because of the shiny top. I like that. Makes the keyboard look nice. It doesn't feel like a stacked acrylic board. It definitely has some of the sound characteristic of a stacked acrylic, but I mean, it's not all stacked acrylic, which is cool. This is nice. It's flared out a little bit on the side too, so you can kind of grab it really easily. I like it. And I like the fact that they incorporated the PCB into the design too. It can make you really appreciate the internals of what's going on. Really like it. Again, Protozoa, they've had some really banger stuff in the past. I know, what was the last one? The Foundation? That was such a cool project. I would not say this is like a step down at all. I think this is definitely on the same level as that Foundation board in terms of creativity. Super cool. Nope, you don't have to solder on the diodes. And there is a hot swap version, but I don't think there's any left. They did tell me one thing though. They said that they're going to be having a next version with more exotic tops. So they're thinking recycled terrazzo, duotone dyed acrylic, which that I'm really excited for. I love my dyed acrylic Alex 40. So if they can do this in like a dyed acrylic, that would be super nice. And then acetate, like sunglasses, is what they said. And then they also should have more of these in stock one of these days. But there is a few left right now, they said. But very exciting. Very, very exciting. Peace out, everyone. Bye, everyone. Love you.